Loves, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair slayage for you guys. Now this video is sponsored by Nadula hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this bomb fall color. So if y'all love this style, y'all want to see how I did it, then keep watching. So I'm just showing you guys the package that the hair came in. It is 100% virgin hair. So in this video, I am rocking the Brazilian body wave in 22, 24, and 26 with a 20-inch frontal. So I'm just showing you guys the hair before I go into the bleaching process. First of all, this hair was so freaking soft. Now these are all the products that I would be using to bleach in color. So I'm pretty much just using Quick Blue bleaching powder, and then the 50 developer and the 20 developer. Now I'm going to be separating my developers. I'm going to be using 20 for the bottom of the bundles, and I'm going to be using the 50 volume developer for the top, like the remaining of the bundle. So right here I'm taking the 20 developer, and I'm just applying that to the bottom of the hair, and then the rest is going to be covered with the 50. So this process is sped up. Now all information on this hair is listed down in my description box, so don't forget to check it out, y'all. This hair is so bomb already. Like, I'm so in love. And just continue watching the video so y'all can see the rest of this process. Now after I went and bleached all the bundles, I did the same step for all of them, even the frontal. After I went and bleached it, I wrapped it up in the foil, and I put my bundles outside, y'all, because I like for it to really observe heat. And I feel like when I put it outside, plus wrapping it in the foil, it cooks the hair better. But you don't want to leave it outside too long, because you can cook and fry your hair, and then you know how they go. Your hair be dry and then it starts to fall out, so you don't want to leave it out too long. I left mine outside for like 15 minutes, and it did amazing. Like, I did not have to go back and bleach nothing over, because I got the perfect color that I was looking for. It wasn't too dark and it wasn't too bright of a blonde, so it was perfect. So happy that I did not have to go back and bleach the hair over, because I hate going back trying to re-bleach the hair just to get it brighter. So I put it outside, and this is my first time doing that. Now for the coloring process, I will be doing the watercolor method, because I feel like this method is so convenient and it's so quick and it's easy. So I'm using Adore 38, and I'm using another brand called Aliexpress. Now this is my first time mixing hair dyes, y'all. I'm not a stylist, so I don't know if you're supposed to do this, whatever, but I just want to try 2 different colors out and 2 different brands. So I mixed those 2 together, and pretty much just going to dip my hair into the hot water. So I love the watercoloring method, because y'all, this is just the easiest thing in the world, and it's so quick. Like, I was not about to go in and color each bundle separately. Like, that's so dead. So the watercolor method really came through, and as y'all can see, the color is taking really, really nicely. And this is just the frontal, and that was the color of it when it was bleached. So yeah, so right here I'm just taking my blow dryer brush, and I'm just I went and made the wig off camera. I do have a video of how to make a wig, but I pretty much use hot glue, y'all, because I'm not gonna go in and sew no wig. I'm sorry, I'm lazy, so I use that method. So this is the hair all blowed out. And right here I'm just showing y'all a quick curling process of how I curled it. So I cut layers in the hair, because I feel like I know that most stylists say when you cut layers, it holds the curls better and it gives it more of a bouncier look. So just a FYI, in case nobody knew, because I know I did not know that at first, but now I know. So yeah, now moving on to the applying process. Now I'm speeding this process up because y'all, I have a million videos of me doing the same thing when it comes to my hair, so I'm just gonna speed through this process. So pretty much I'm just taking my Hair So Fab glue And I applied 3 layers of glue, y'all, because unlike all my other installs, I want this install to actually last and actually stay on. So I applied 3 layers of glue, and look at that hairline. I also went and plucked the frontal off camera as well, and I bleached the knots too, just in case anybody was wondering. Yes, I plucked it, and yes, I did go in and bleach the knots. But look at how lovely that hairline looks. It looks so natural, and it's just laid and slayed. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. I'm going back and forth with scissors and tweezers to cut this lace. So yeah, I will be doing an updated hair review for this video, for this hair, so I can let you guys know how it held up and etc. So stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and get this video to 100 likes since y'all are here watching. Comment down below and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And this is pretty much the end of the video. I'm calling out my baby hairs because I did go in and mold it down with some mousse. But if you guys enjoyed this look and you think this came out bomb, then thumbs this video up. Leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for tuning in another video. Check this hair company out, Nadula Hair. And that is all, folks. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.